Do you know who the lead negotiator is for the United States negotiating between Hamas and Israel? CIA Director Burns. Why is a CIA director? Why is the head of the intelligence, the undercover covert intelligence wing of the United States, why is he negotiating with what we accuse of a terrorist group and Israel's political party? Why is he the interlocutor? That's not a role for an intelligence officer. That's a role for a diplomat. That's a role for a statesman. That is not a role for a career intelligence official, somebody whose job is to lie and steal and cheat without getting caught. It shows two things. One, it shows how the United States views the conflict between Hamas and Israel. It shows that the United States does not view it through a diplomatic lens. Otherwise, they'd put a senior ambassador in there. They'd put a statesman in there. They'd put somebody from the president's cabinet in there. You know where the diplomats are spending their time? Saudi Arabia. Because the United States knows that it has very real diplomatic needs in the Middle East that it must maintain, and Israel's not one of those needs. It knows that what Israel is a fucking mess that they created, that they exacerbated early on, and that they need to clean up quietly. And they're hoping that CIA Director Burns will help make that happen.
And what do you think is the agenda? How does it get cleaned up, so to speak?
So there is no good outcome. There is no outcome that makes everybody happy. But CIA is not interested in making everybody happy. The CIA is interested in making American primacy prevail. So what America wants is a two-party solution, or a two-state solution in what is currently known as the State of Israel. That's what the United States wants. They want a safe place for Palestinians. They want a safe place for Israelis. And then they want to be able to encourage relations between the Muslim and Arab world, the Israeli world. They want to increase trade. They want to have the ability to deploy fucking airplanes and warships into the Middle East, into friendly territory when we fight China. That's what they want. That's what the United States cares about. However they get there the fastest, that's what matters to them. The reason that you have diplomats meeting in Saudi Arabia and spies meeting in Israel is because what you need to have is the Saudis and the Emiratis, two of the leading groups in the Middle East, accept Israel, which requires Israel to accept Palestine. That's the mess.
Interesting.
You think the United States is thinking 5 years beyond this point? They're thinking 2 years beyond this point.